What up, fifth period? Hey, Mr. Bull can post videos too, okay? You're sick and tired of all the other videos that I've been trying to get you, and you're not seeing me in class. Guess what? Hi, here I am. Let's get on Teams. Let's do this stuff, okay? Check this out. I wanted to show you what you are actually going to see when you look at a test, okay? So I'm sharing my screen. Oh, look at this. How cool is that? Look at Mr. Bull's got some skills. What? All right, anyway, hopefully you're waking up. Hey, wake up. All right, check this out. SBA testing, all right? This is what we talked about in class, all right? First question, here I've got like the very first thing that's gonna pop up. Fortunately, we know how this one is going to work, right? But I wanted to show you this little feature right here. See my little hand? Boom, 3 lines. If I scroll down, all of you are going to have this feature, okay? You're all going to have headphones when you actually take this test, and you're all going to have this feature. You go down, speak question, and take a listen.
Enter the value of n for the equation 5 raised to the nth power equals 5 raised to the 11th power times 5 cubed. From left to right and top to bottom.
Look at that, it's even doing this. You don't even need to know this, but it's doing it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, point, negative.
Whoa, look at that. It's kind of pointless, but it's cool. This is not a calculator, by the way. All of you have a calculator accommodation as well. So you better get that calculator. You understand? If you don't have it in your hands when you're doing the thing, you're wrong. Have it, okay? But we remember that in this particular problem, to find n, because it's multiplication and all of the bases are the same, we simply add them together, okay? So we know that this one is going to be n is going to equal 11 plus 3, which is, 14. Okay. So the way I would do that is I think I would just write 14. Right? Yeah, because enter the value of n for the equation. So I'm going to use this, right? Now, if I was like, wait a minute, that's wrong. Wait a minute, it's 17. That's 17, right? Right? 11 plus 3, 17. Yes. No, it's 14. But you see how I did that? Changed my answer. Can do that. All right. Boom, boom. Just so that you know. Okay. Now I'm good. I'm going to go to the next one. Boom. Now, same kind of idea. See if I can move my head. Where's my 3 dots? Oh, right over here, right? If I don't know what it says, guess what? I can tell it to read to me. Read to me. That's right. I want to know.
The table has 2 columns and 5 rows.
I want to plot.
From left to right, the column headings read.
I want to plot. Yada, 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 yada. He's reading. You don't have to have it read all the time. If you want it to shut it, you hit stop. Boom. Get this. Check this. Let me show you this little feature too. I got a little notepad. Look at that. This is a math problem that I never learned. No, that's not cool. That's not correct, right? So just saying, I just am trying to let you know that there's some things there. You can save and close it, or you can cancel. You got yourself some features right here, okay? Boom, look at this. Mark for review. I don't know if I really want to get that one right now, so I'm going to mark it for review. So I'm going to come back to it. See my little flag? I'm going to come back to it. But by the way, this is simple. You just kind of like plot these, right? D arrow tool. Use that stuff, add an arrow, you could tell it to add an arrow and put some plots here. Let's say I was going to put a plot here. I have 40, which I'm not, because that's not what it was asking. So that's not right. I'm going to delete that arrow, delete it there. See, just kind of showing you a little bit of features. But maybe I wanted to put 10 on the D and an arrow right here on the 1 on the T. And then I wanted to do, 20. and 2, you know, because this kind of thing is telling me, but maybe I'm super wrong. Like, I don't know. So I want to delete that stuff. So I'm going to click it and go here and click. And then I got this. Well, I don't know if I'm right or wrong. So I'm going to just move on. I'm just trying to show you what these things will look like, right? Remember, I'm not a math teacher. I am just somebody's going to help you look at this stuff. Oh, check it out. Look, select true or false to indicate whether each comparison is true. Oh, look, I got my little thing right here again. I can tell it to read to me.
Select
Read to me.
false to indicate
Boom.
each comparison is true. The table has
What?
2 columns and 4 rows. From left to right, the column.
Left to right.
Headings read.
Okay. True.
False.
Right.
From top to bottom, the row headings read. The square root of 37 is less than 5 1/4.
See,
3 pi is greater.
that's something to keep in mind, right? If you had forgotten that this little arrow this way right here means less than, guess what? I had it read to me and it told me. So boom, these are good things to know, okay? So check this out. That is the kind of stuff. Let's say I just click a bunch of things, do. Again, this is the CAT version, okay? So this is going to be what you're going to take on the 17th. Select all the equations. Now, review your videos, okay? That is the other videos that are on the teams here. Review them to go back over like what this is all about, okay? Because remember, all that are correct. Maybe this one, and not this one, but all these are correct, right? So like, remember, my videos have math teachers. There's other videos on teams that I want you to watch, not just once, guys, not just once throughout this week, but you got to watch it more than once. All right. So I'm putting my face on here to show you that I'm serious about these videos. Get on there, start watching, practice, and that's what you're going to see. Okay. All right. With that, don't make me come find you. I'm going to find you.